Ban means one who possesses. Like Rupavan, one who is having beauty. So that person is called Rupavan. One has got riches, is Dhanavan. Dhan means riches. One who possesses dhan is Dhanavan. Similarly, one who possesses Bhaga means opulence is called Bhagavan. So now, opulence, I have got some opulence, you have got opulence, other people also have got some opulence. So, is everyone God? Everyone Bhagavan? No. This regarding Bhaga, the definition of Bhaga, definition of opulence is given by the sage Parashara, father of Vyasadeva. He gave definition of the opulence. Oisharyasya samagrasya birjasya jasasya jnana vairagyasya sannang bhaga itingana. 6 types of wealth, opulence. That is, all the wealth, all the strength, physical strength, all the fame, all the beauty,